Many times when we study subjects in school or colleges, some symbols comes in our way. Some of the symbols we are familiar with, like addition symbol, subtraction symbol, but many other symbols we don't know. So in this video we are going to understand symbols used in mathematics, symbols used in other fields, their names and their meanings. So let's get started. The first symbol in this list is summation symbol. This is also called as sigma and read as sum of or sigma. This symbol is used for total addition. The next symbol in this presentation is factorial. For example, 5 factorial means multiplication of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, as you see above. Next symbol is power or exponent symbol. It is read as a to the power x or a raised to the power x. For example, 2 raised to the power 5. The next symbol is of congruence and it is as above. It is used to show the exactly same things. It is read as congruent to. The next symbol is tilde. It is also called as similar to symbol. It can be read as is similar to. The next symbol we have in this list is infinity. Some people says this symbol as lemniscate. It is read as infinity. Infinity means huge number that cannot be measured. The next symbol is epsilon symbol. It represents a very small number, the number that is near to 0. The next symbol is omega symbol. There are 2 omega symbols and it is read as omega. Many times this symbol shown on left side used to represent resistance and symbol on right side is used to show angular velocity. This next symbol is of imaginary number symbol. It is represented as I. I is equal to under root minus 1. The next symbol in this list is plus minus symbol. It is read as plus or minus. This next symbol is of strict inequality. This is read as it is greater than. Similarly, this symbol is read as is less than. For example, 5 is less than 7. All of you watching this video know this symbol. This symbol is equality symbol and read as is equal to. This next symbol is of inequation and read as is not equal to. For example, 7 is not equal to 9. This next symbol is also of inequality symbol. It is read as is greater than or equals. Then symbol after this is also of inequality. It is read as less than or equal to. The next symbol is of material equivalence. It is read as is equivalent to. This next symbol is of material implication and read as implies. More than 50% students watching this video know this symbol. This is symbol of theta. It is used to represent angles. This next symbol is of empty set. It is read as empty set. Then there are 2 symbols of delta. One is larger delta and one is smaller delta. Delta is used to show the change. For example, temperature is changed from T1 to T2. This symbol you are watching is of for all and it is read as for all. This next symbol is of pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7. It is read as pi. This next symbol you are watching is of integration. It is also called as integral symbol. It is read as integration of. Then symbol shown in this slide is of intersection. It can be read as intersection of 2 sets. Next symbol is similar to U. It is of union and read as union of 2 sets. Then after that, this is the symbol of therefore. It is read as therefore. Then after that, this is the symbol of because or since. The next symbol in this list is of square root. For example, square root of 25 is equal to 5 and it is read as square root of. Moving further, we have this symbol as symbol of perpendicular. It is read as is perpendicular to. Then this symbol is of exist. Then after that, this is the symbol of percentage or percent. Then after that, this is the symbol that shows the line. For example, line AB. Then after that, this is next symbol of line segment. Then after that, this symbol represents ray. For example, ray AB. This symbol, as you watching, is of right angle. Then this is the symbol for angle or to represent angles. Then this is the important symbol in mathematics called as braces. Read as braces. Next after that is symbol of brackets. It is read as brackets. This symbol is of parentheses. Read as parentheses. Moving forward in this list, we have symbol of permutation. Then this is the symbol of combination. Read as combination. Then this is symbol same as delta. It is of triangle. For example, triangle ABC. Moving further, we have this symbol. It is of subset. It is read as A is subset of B. Then after that, we have this symbol. It is of not a subset. For example, A is not a subset of B. Then after that, this is the symbol of symmetric difference. It is read as object that belongs to A or B, not to their intersections. Then after that, this is the symbol of ampersand. It is read as and. Then after that, this is symbol of vertical line. It is read as or. This is the symbol of equivalent. Read as equivalent. Then after that, we have this symbol. It is of zeta. Read as zeta. Thereafter in this video, we are going to look after some Greek alphabet symbols. First is alpha, second is beta, third is gamma. Then after that, the symbol is of delta, then epsilon, zeta, then eta, theta and iota. Then after that, first symbol in second list is kappa, then lambda, then mu, then nu. Then after that, psi, omicron, pi, rho and sigma. Then after that, in third list we have tau, epsilon, p, chi, c and omega. Then after that, we have some symbols of currencies. For example, first symbol is of dollar, second is of euro, next is of yen, then this symbol is of pound. At fifth number, the symbol is of franc. Sixth number, it is of ruble. Seventh number is of Turkish lira. Then that is symbol of won. And last symbol in this slide is of rupees, that is Indian currency. In this presentation, we have also included some symbols of virtual currencies. For example, first symbol is of Bitcoin, second is of Dash currency, third is of Ripple currency, and fourth is of Neo currency, etc. etc. Along with this, these are also some symbols of some virtual currencies. Thank you friends for watching this video throughout. If you like this channel, then do not forget to subscribe this channel.